Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the trigger connector. Here's the one I purchased. It's a 3.5 pound minus polished trigger connector. I bought it off eBay. It's pretty cheap. I didn't really look into any other ones. I figured I'd give it a try, see if I like it. If I like it, then I'm going to spend the money and order a good one, research and do some stuff on it. But here we go. First we want to make sure it's unloaded. Nothing in the mag. And we're good to go. Take off the slide. We don't need it. Set aside. Now, the trigger connector is going to be right underneath here. And so what we're going to need to do is we're going to knock out all 3 of these pins, and then we'll be able to pull the whole assembly out, change it, put it back in. Here's our tape. And we're going to use a 3/32 punch, or you can use the Glock tool that comes with it, the Gen 4. I just put the extended slide release on. That's in my other video I did the other day. Put a link in the description if you want to go check it out. We're just going to push them all from left to the right. Remember there, we're going to have to move this around, make sure it doesn't get stuck. And it should push right on out. There's that one. Pull this slide release out. So we're going to push out. That pin there holding the locking block in. Then the one on the back strap, which holds the assembly in the back. Then we're going to push up, pull out this here, the locking block. Pull it right on out, and the trigger will come out. And we're done with the frame for right now. Now we have the whole trigger assembly put together. This here is going to be the trigger connector that we're going to change. What you're going to have to do is pull it to the side and lift up, and it's got a spring attached. And you can take your 3/32 and push. It's slotted for it. Pull that on out. This one here came in the gun. What I'm going to put in is a 3.5 pound polished. We're going to see if it changes anything. And then you slide it back in where it goes. Push it all the way in. We're going to connect this back down same way we pulled it out. Now we're going to take it and slide it back on in. sure all your holes and stuff line up. And push our pins in from the way they came out. Push out hole 2, 4. And I'm just going to put them in the way I took them out. Put a locking block back in. Slide this top one back in. Alright, clicked. Push them all in until they click. That's how you make sure they're in there. Then you slide your slide release back in. And put in this last pin. It clicked. Now put it back together. Feels a lot smoother. I don't have a gauge, so it's not really any way I can really tell. It just feels better. And there you have it. Pretty simple. 3 pins. Pull it out. Place it. Put it back in. Double check it. Thanks for watching.